Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're a loyal subscriber, if you're new here, come stay. You're so welcome. If you love wig reviews, synthetic wig reviews, I got you. Before I go on to my final thoughts about the wig, let me tell you a few things. So I now have an Amazon storefront. Anything I use in this video, any of my favorite wigs, even this wig is actually linked in my Amazon storefront. So go ahead and click the link in the description box so you can make your, get your kit. Get your wig install kit so it can be as flawless as this. Make your synthetic wigs look like a for real install, okay? So also I made a big cartel site for wigs I'm selling, mostly selling wigs that are still new in box. I just decided not to wear or have doubles of. I will be maybe sometimes selling wigs that I have worn for reviews. If I just didn't like the wig, I won't wear it again. I'll just put it up on the website. What else? Oh yeah, I have my own beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, where I sell mink eyelashes, 100% mink eyelashes. I have a pair on right now called Delilah. Very delicate, very small. So if you're not into the big lashes, I do have big lashes though. If you're not into the big lashes, I have lashes for you to get your complete face beat look, all that. Oh, I also sell press-on nails on the website. These are press-ons. I don't sell these. These are a sample. I may put them on the site, but I sell press-on nails. I sell lip gloss that's brown girl friendly, all across the board, brown girl friendly. What else? Wig bands. I sell wigs, other accessories too, lash accessories. So go ahead and check out my store. I will be having a website up soon, but for now you can just view the items on my Instagram page. Hit me up in a DM if you want to make a purchase. I do everything through PayPal, so it's secure. So go ahead and check that out in the description box. Okay. Whew. Said all that. So let's get to the wig. So yeah, I decided to do this wig review on Sensational Balyage 13. So it is an older unit, but she's still a winner chicken dinner. You know, I got her in the color Balyage Mocha. She's definitely a good rich auntie holiday wig, guys. So I did one review already for a holiday wig, and that was Sensational's. I gotta bring some from Outre for a holiday, but that was Sensational's Rashana. That's a newer unit. Definitely a good wig, nice, beautiful curls for the holiday. We want to look sexy for the holidays. So curls always do that. This is the a nice sleek, like I said, rich auntie look. It still has the curls. It doesn't have all that length that Rashana has. And she just looks like she's a vibe. She's such a vibe. I don't gauge the shedding. Like I always say, I don't gauge the shedding because I do so much customization that I get shedding anyway. As far as big head friendly, she's big head friendly. I had to cross the straps to wear her. I got a small peanut head, so if I have to cross the straps that much, she's definitely big head friendly. Let's see. What else? She comes in a variety of colors. I thought I got her in the Balyage Gold. That thing that would have took it from rich auntie to, I don't know, like Carisha vibes. I really think that the Balyage Gold would have spiced it up a bit. But nonetheless, like this number 4 with the toned blonde highlights is giving. Definitely giving for the holidays. I know Thanksgiving is over, but we still got Christmas. For the holidays, family. This is a good family friendly wig. Now, when it comes for New Year's Eve wigs, I'm gonna lace y'all up. I got a couple that I could show you guys. If you want to be like showing off on a budget, I got some for you, so stay tuned for that. She's definitely HD lace. If I turn to certain angles, you can barely see it, but my ring light picks up on the lace. But in natural light, you're not gonna see it. It's definitely 100% flawless. The part is wide, so I didn't have to pluck, and I didn't have to put no concealer in. You can do that if you want this to have a more defined part. I do it sometimes, not all the time. It just depends on if I remember or not. It says natural density hairline. I did pluck it. I ain't gonna lie, I plucked it. I feel like no wig, not even human hair wigs, have a natural density. I feel like you should always customize the hairlines, whether it's synthetic or human. Customize that hairline, sis. Customize it to your liking. I just don't think like a whole like block hairline is cute. It's not. Yeah, basically everything. It did come with baby hairs, but y'all know how I do. I customize my baby hairs too, so I don't use what comes with it. I brush most of it back and pull out what I need. Yeah, so yeah, tell me what you guys think. If you have any other questions, if I didn't answer anything, just hit me up in the inbox. Not inbox, in the comment section, and I'll answer it for you. I always reach out to you guys. I appreciate all the wonderful comments that y'all give me. I really do. Y'all boost my ego. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I have TikTok and I have Instagram. I hope everybody has a happy holidays and see you in the next video. Bye.